Hello students, welcome back to my channel Lightup Knowledge and very warm welcome to today's video. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video we will cover reciprocal pronouns. There is a separate playlist of pronouns in English language on my channel, the link of which will be available right in the description box for you to check out. Now without any further ado or delay, let's jump right into the video. What are reciprocal pronouns? Reciprocal pronouns are each other and one another. They are used to express mutual or reciprocal relationships. So therefore there are two reciprocal pronouns, each other and one another, and they express mutual or reciprocal relationship. I will explain you about mutual or reciprocal relationship. Basically a reciprocal pronoun is a pronoun which is used to indicate that two or more people are carrying out or have carried out an action of some type, with both receiving the benefits or consequences of that action simultaneously. Any time something is done or given in return, reciprocal pronouns are used. The same is true that any time a mutual action is expressed that way. Have a look at this example here. Anna and I write to each other or one another every week. Raina and Zeba meet each other or one another every Saturday. So each other and one another means the same. So here both of these examples, the action or the consequences is received by or is taken by both of them together and simultaneously. So it is a situation where someone or something performs an action on others and that particular action is received, the same action is received in return. So in this example here, Anna and I write to each other one another every week. So here Anna and I basically are writing to each other, means Anna is writing to me and I am writing to Anna simultaneously. Now let us have a look at some advanced points of reciprocal pronouns. First is not used as subject. So therefore the reciprocal pronouns each other and one another are not normally used as subject, but they can be used in some special cases which I'll be discussing in a while. So let us have a look at some examples. My parents gifted one another diamond rings on their marriage anniversary. So father gifted mother and mother gifted father. So the action happened simultaneously. So if you'll have a look at the sentence structure, it is used as an object in the sentence, one another, and not the subject. So therefore they are not normally used as subjects in a sentence, but it can be used in a case when there is a subordinate clause in a sentence. So when you use subordinate clause, it can be used and you can split each and other and speak as the example is given here. I asked the boys if they had broken the window, and see the subordinate clause starts here and each blamed the other. So you have split each and other and use a subordinate clause. The second point is that it is used after preposition. So it can be used after preposition. Okay, so what can be used after preposition? That is reciprocal pronoun. And what are reciprocal pronouns? What are two reciprocal pronouns? Each other and one another. So they can be used after preposition. Have a look at these examples here. The two girls never argued with each other. They were always chatting to each other. In the first sentence, each other is coming after the preposition with. Similarly, in the next sentence, each other is coming after the preposition to. So therefore these reciprocal pronouns are used or can be used after preposition, as we have seen in the given examples here that they were used after the preposition with and to. The third and the last point is these reciprocal pronouns have possessive forms. We very well know that we form possessive forms by adding apostrophe s. So we add apostrophe s to these reciprocal pronouns and make them possessive. So they have possessive forms like each other's and one another's. Have a look at this proper example. They'll sit for hours looking into each other's eyes. So it shows possessiveness when we have added apostrophe s. Another example is they even wore one another's clothes sometimes. So one another's, right? So yes guys, that was all for today's video. We have covered reciprocal pronouns from the basic to advanced. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you found it useful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press that bell icon so that you can get regular updates of the videos that I upload. All the important link of the playlists will be linked down in the description box. Do check out. You can also comment down your doubts or your suggestion in the comment box. I will love to answer them. Keep learning and keep growing.